You know, we can, like, edit video and stuff. Give me a count. Are we... Damn it, Jessica. Fuck you. Are we still recording? God damn it. Okay.
We're posting this one.
Okay, we're posting this one. Hey everybody, Jessica and I just got a new digital camera, so we're just kind of playing around with it, seeing what's going on. And this is pretty much a test just to see if we can actually post things online successfully. So there you have it. Bye.
Okay, I'm done.
You're still not unrecording. What do you want me to do? I feel pressured.
Set, monkey. Done. Okay, we're breaking shit now. We probably should stop. Any parting words? I broke him.